Good morning. It's a massive history. Simple. Reading Hinge. It's Jan 14th, and this is the last Jan Friday of report before the achievement of the real recording quota, but means what to understand what I mean with this. Read the comments. 2024, huh? And if he can believe it, it's a Friday, once again, 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 it's a Friday, once again. Maybe it's early and it's early afternoon, traffic, no, sorry, and it's late morning, we're going to London in the minus with 77 Fahrenheit 25 Celsius, lì e soffre di stesso di vita e lei stava considerata per dare lì corsi to it very few days and as for the winter the shoes aggettivi pulga se classificati senza restrizione delle persone farsi la sera persona no dico poi c'è un video I suppose that I'm sure also in this case spring and autumn and since la storia del marzo pursuant di si smette il nostro direzione e giù questi aggettivi infatti non so forse si cresce in su la sigla di inglese ti resta per me ora sta figurando di figurando di un problema questa è quindi spingere tu si se visa a terra sul loro ormai state mettendo a disposizione di waiting yes automatic sure you can see the things sure I see these things ci si dice di questo it's very beautiful it's really beautiful it seems fact I'm briefing as a feeling that is totally clear sky yes from here in China and yes it's Friday once again and as you know first of all as every Friday I should never do this fantastic electric ready matrice that are the reason on the story of my reports in general for this it is my 40 channel I guess I will give report provincial soon si direbbe mese accanto per Brinci perché non è governo chances as you know la music is almost always present also vabbè also this dici praticamente This afternoon, practically, I think that the number is or maximum to a good level. No, I think a good level 3-4 days more. 200 bits, 27, 25 Celsius. But the important thing is the atmosphere, 30 feet. So before Those guys, when this is showing me, that's what I did now. Considering the period and considering that we're going to non from now for another 8 hours and a half, somewhere in comparison, and a half in comparison with my reference to a computer refresh room. When so amazing. As well since I'm two practically since 1 year and more than 7 months, we also need to be for intervention at soon is a summer period alternative the green relation. So today it's not visible, it's near the enemy, but always visible, better, in fact, instantly, air in the shot, in this point, legendary shot. And as the shooter the country, is today visible near the enemy. But however, me always visible better for the sim, always in this shot, in this other legendary shot. And finally, from a medieval keyboard, GX 640, APG, APG 605. But greeting the people, the person, I'm sending greeting to everyone, I'm sending random sister, awesome skins. And finally, I hope you all have a great breakfast. Today it's early, absolutely, in comparison, no, adesso, tab golden parts that we still far away from the record. Arrivederci alla stessa mattina 2003, it was a Saturday when we fucked in breakfast, if you can believe it. I started with at 15 so, yes, if you can believe it, I started with at 15 sono reclusa, lo so devi fare, we repeat, it's just only nulla, insomma. But, the really important thing that you should always remember is that inside me, also today, fortunately it is so, I'm really hungry. And that's, see. Breakfast is always one of the most beautiful things in life in the world now. Absolutely. Acho, tomorrow.